Ad sizes are not created equal. You cannot expect the same performance across the board. Different sizes perform differently depending on several factors, like ad placement, viewability, user engagement, and a whole lot more. In this lesson, we will talk about the best performing ad sizes and how to decide which sizes to run on your site. According to AdSense, the best and top performing ad sizes are the following: 300 by 250, 336 by 280, 728 by 90, 300 by 600, and on mobile, 320 by 100. When choosing the ad size to run, first you need to see if it complements the space. For example, on a header space like this one, you can run 728 by 90, 970 by 250, but not a 300 by 600. On the sidebar section like this, you can run 300 by 600, 300 by 250, but you cannot run a horizontal ad like a 728 by 90 in this space. In the middle of the page, you can run 728 by 90, 300 by 250, or 728 by 250, but you cannot run any vertical ad here like a 160 by 600 or a 300 by 600. You can just imagine all the empty and weird spaces on your page if you run inappropriate ad sizes. When it comes to ad size combinations, these are the ones that tend to perform really well: 728 by 90, 970 by 90, and 970 by 250. When you create that ad unit in Ad Manager, you specify those sizes in a single ad unit. This allows more competition and more demand for a single ad unit. The highest paying ad size for a given ad request will get the chance to serve the ad. Another combination that really performs well is 300 by 250 mixed with 336 by 280. That size combination is very versatile. You can put it on your sidebar, or you can put it in the middle of the content. It also tends to perform really well on a mobile device. On the sidebar, we recommend this combination of sizes: 300 by 600, 160 by 600, and 300 by 250. If you have those three on your sidebar, again, the size with the highest bid wins and serves the ad. You can also explore sticky ads and anchor ads. They tend to get really good viewability and click-through rates. And as a result, you'd be happy with the CPM performance. Just make sure that there is an X button for users to exit if they don't like the anchor ad. AdSense doesn't like anything that covers their ad units. If you don't want to use an ad server and plan to deploy AdSense hard-coded tags, you won't be able to combine these sizes that we just discussed. But one thing you can do is to run a responsive ad. Responsive ads on your site will adapt to the specific page layout. Here's the thing. There are scenarios wherein responsive ads perform worse than fixed-sized ads. But hey, go ahead and test it out. Again, the ad that won't perform well on one site may be a different story on the other. Every site is unique. AdSense no longer has a restriction in terms of the number of ads you can implement per page, but observe at least 50-50 ratio, which means there should be at least 50% content on a single page and cannot go any lower than that. You can have more content than ads, but not the other way around. To find out how your sizes are performing, try to run a report by ad size and then broken down further by creative size. Ad size is the original setting for your ad unit, but the actual creative size that has been delivered will be reported under creative sizes. You can do the same if you're running Ad Manager. Run a historical query. For your dimension, choose Ad Unit and creative size delivered. You can then look at the total impressions, revenue, CPM, CTR, and total active view percent viewable to check viewability. And from there, you can decide whether to keep or eliminate some of the sizes that don't really contribute positively in your ad ops strategy.